Hi guys, welcome back with me again and this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create dynamic videos by using images or tags and turn it into a video. Here I'm using a Dreamina AI tool, which is created by CapCut. So it's a dreamina.capcut.com. So if you want to use it, just go to this page right here and then you can log in with your CapCut account. And after that, here at the top you can see there will be this button, generate video, so you can put your creativity in motions by adding text or image and then turn it into a video. So what you need to do is here add the image first. I'm going to choose an image from my computer. For example, I'm going to just use this, click on open. Now the image will be uploading, and here you can just enter a prompt to get a better effect. So for example, animals dance happily, for example. And after that, you can choose the camera control. I'm going to go with random. Here you can adjust the video settings like the aspect ratio, the motion speed, and also the video, how much videos you want to generate. I'm going to just go with 1. And here you have got 45. So I need to pay 45 credits. So here I get 20 225 free credits. So if you want to get more, you can update it. So let's just click on generate, and this AI will continue generating after you leave this page. So you can always leave this page and you can get back later, but I'm going to just wait until it's done and see the results. Okay, so it's done generating, and here you can preview the result by playing it. Okay, you can see now the photo will turn into a videos, and if you are not satisfied with the result, you can give feedback in here, or you can also regenerating again. Here you can upgrade to basic. You can do upscaling, extend video, frame interpolation, turn it into HD, and add music. So you can download here. But if you're not on the Pro Dreamina, the video will be downloaded with Dreamina watermark. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on